action, let's get synced up, and then wait till I finish talking, and then you can start.
Hey guys, Jedi Joy here. So we are heading to a gold selling place. I guess you call it, not really pawn shop, it's like they buy gold. Because we're gonna sell, we have some Panamanian gold coins that were Jedi Rich's dad's gave them to him. It's like his inheritance. And we decided that we need to invest in a GoPro for Panama for our YouTube channel. So we decided, let's go sell a couple of these because we're gonna bring a little bit with us, but they're heavy and we can only fit so much stuff on the plane, and why not, instead of carrying that added weight of some coins, convert them to something that we really need, like a GoPro. So we're gonna go do that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the gold coins that we're gonna sell. We're just gonna sell two. These, we really don't like doing this because, you know, of course we'd like to keep them forever, but it just kind of makes sense. So these ones come in these nice little cases. These ones are 100 Balboa, which is basically $100. It's about the same as the American $100, but when you sell them you get more than $100. When we sold them in the past, the most we ever got was probably about 300. You usually give around 250. We don't know what the gold is at right now, so we'll see. But we're hoping for at least 250. I don't think we'd want to accept much less than that. And we have two of them, so they're each 100. So just their pure value is $100. It says Vasco Nunez de Balboa, 1975, and this one was 1977. Must have been their president or whatever in Panama they have. Okay, I'm gonna put it in my purse so then they won't even know what's on here. I'm gonna get that in there. Hold on.
Got that.
I'm first though, cause I was looking.
You have to massage me then. Later.
Well, we'll see. I'm gonna be freaking exhausted after today. What is this place called? We Buy Gold. Nevada Coin and Jewelry. We are here to try and sell our coins. Let's see what we get. It's pretty obvious that you're filming me if you do it like that.
Okay.
So. I was looking to sell some coins. I've been here before. Oh, sorry.
You want to sell some coins?
Yeah, I've been here before. Yeah, okay. Here's my ID, because I've been here before, and I have this truth. And that's your Panamanian $100 Balboas.
50% right? 50% gold or the
other ones I have were 90, so I don't know what
this
those
is
ones are.
90, yeah.
Yeah, 99, yep. 99.
So 900 for the two.
Okay. Yeah.
Is that what you got? Just make sure I do my math right here. Just do it one more time. $400. Okay. I just need you to get your ID right there. Perfect. Everything looks good to me. Here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Listen, thank
You're good.
Come here. Oh, no. We did that in the car. That's a lot of freaking money. Okay, fine.
Okay, so tell us what happened.
Oh my gosh. You guys, I can't believe it.
Talk a little louder.
We were hoping for at most 300 a coin, and we just got 900. So we got 450 a coin. That was great.
It's our wedding present.
Thank you, yes. Thank you, Dad. From John Lighteller. Thank you. When we get in the car, I'll save the money, but
Okay.
don't think it's hard to be whipping out money and like, oh my gosh. I just was like, what? I just was like, what? When he said 900, I was like, yeah. But
So what happened?
okay, so I think it's all recorded too, because I think I had my thing on the whole time.
Okay, good.
But what happened was, I was expecting at most like 600, because that would have been 300 a piece. And he said, I'll give you 9, like all casually. I was like, oh, okay. And then he's all, wait, let me see if I did my math right. Yeah, I'll give you 9. I was like, yeah, okay.
Great job, Jedi. Okay, so that's how you sell gold. And so we were selling this gold, and we're going to convert it into, well, we're going to use it probably for food, mostly.
Right now I need to go put some in the bag, because we are like maybe overdrawn with
at the edge.
just, yeah, earlier we overdrew a couple times.
So yeah, when you move, it's expensive. There's always unseen expenses. We're okay with that. So we just want to make sure everything's good. So we sold some of the gold that we had, that my father had given me. And
Man, I feel good about that we got. That's the most we've ever got, so that felt really good. Because in the past it felt a little bit like wasn't enough, maybe. Not I don't mean like that, but more like, oh, I wish we didn't have to sell it right now, because it probably, there could have been a better time to sell, but of course that would only be green anyway, so it was fine, but you know what I mean.
basically what she's saying is that gold has doubled since we've lived in the
Yeah,
cave.
that's what I'm trying to say. There you go. Without being like greedy or whatever. But at the end of the day, that does make a difference when you're selling gold with the person. I'm blown away. Thank you.
Right, this is Jedi in Panama, but we're still in Las Vegas. So this is leaving Las Vegas, Jedi in Panama.
And we're blown away by what just happened. And it was so wonderful.
And so we got more money than we expected, which is really good because money's tight right now, as you guys know. And so we're using all the money we get, we're saving for our trip. And some of this money will be used towards a GoPro camera for Jedi Joy here. And then the rest will, well, she'll figure out what to do with it. What do you got going on here?
I think I got my shoes, and the big thing I think I got was my GoPro. Here it is. Oh, slick. Look at that. That is super badass. Cool. We got a GoPro for Panama. Thank you, Dad. This is from John Lighteller. What else we got in here? Charger. Battery. Yes. Is this an extra battery? Nice. Extra battery. Charge. Yay! Can't wait. This is gonna be so good for Panama. For filming everything now. Oh wow. Joey's gonna check it out for me. Get me all set up. Look how cool it is. It's so badass. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna get the best footage of Panama. Panama, here we go. You want to choose the next box? The other Panama box? That's for Panama too. Oh, look too, and we got this. See that too. It's all part of that. And that's it. I think these are my shoes for Panama too. These are my Keens, I believe. And I needed some good walking sandals. Now, I already have dunked out on one pair, so we're gonna see if these ones work. The last ones were too big. Too big. They're like cloud hoppers. I'm so excited for that GoPro. It's gonna just like, oh, yep, it is my Keens. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, already I can see better. Oh, already, yeah. Like, those are already smaller than those monster ones that I had. These look slick. These actually look small. Like, this looks like a small shoe. Those things were huge. This actually, I can tell looks small, like, those other ones, my shoes were gonna look like, it was gonna be like a monstrosity. Yes. Oh, really comfy. Oh, wait, 6 is wrong. Oh, I think what the heck? No, no, it's okay, yes, okay. Oh, here we go. There we go. There we go. Yes, Nancy. Way better than the Slime Hoppers. You guys score. Yeah, return Nancy's ones that were just like monstrosity. This is like this back. Oh, these are amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, you got that. Nice. Wow. Interesting in the back. This is a bit to get used to this strap. But I love. Oh, they feel like pillows on my feet. They literally feel like pillows on my feet. It's like, oh, I have really bad feet. I have really issues. These are gonna be so comfortable. Oh, wonderful. They look so much better. We should have documented the other ones. We didn't. Darn it. Those were cloud hoppers. Love them. Best day. Best day. Well, tons of best days. Here we go.
Trying out this new GoPro device. It kind of takes a little bit getting used to. If any of you have ever used it, send us some suggestions. I'm definitely a novice on this thing. We were looking at getting an iPhone 11 at one point, but those are a lot of money. And with the trip expenditures and everything, we thought maybe we should look at other alternatives. So we ended up here. So hello, GoPro. We're gonna call this GoPro GoPre, like that's its name. I don't know if that's its actual name, but it works for me for now. So I hope the microphone works too. We'll test out that as well. Man, there's a lot of cool little features on this thing. Okay, so look, this is how. Here comes Jojo. Oh gosh, she looks tired. It's hot out there. It's hot out there.
Yeah, it looks like it's a panic advisor.
Yeah. So hey, so this is a new camera thing. Yeah. Where'd you go? Okay. You go ahead. So you guys, this is like back in cave days. I imagine Panama's gonna be a lot like me following Joy around in the back of her head. But this time we got her a microphone so we can at least hear what she's saying when she's yelling at me to hurry up.
Oh, I never yell either. Never.
You never did? Okay, well.
Oh, February 6th.
Yeah, here, you can have this one. I'm done.
I use my curves.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys.
How you pump and take a dump.
not to death. I'm not impressed. I'm not amused. I'm not confused. I'm not confused. I'm a grown man business. I am not in school. Put your hand down, youngin'. This is not for you.
On my jail, my beats with the Kanye, yo.
Your name on the market, your name off the payroll. Style fresh,
Like I'm still a Dayo, and it's been like that since the Dayo.
On more time than a Rolly or Seiko.
Step on deck, your neck, or do what I say so. Get up or get out, get down and lay low.
Old Jedi, I am Black Jedi. Black Jedi.
Black people, white people,
Let's move.
Shout out to my man Cali Quali, we on top. Shout out, check it out.
Check it out.